Welcome to Silver Cajun Metals for another YouTube video today. Hope all your families and friends are all safe from all that coronavirus and stuff going on. I got a friend that he lost his job and he needed some extra money. And he's a saver, collector, and he invests in stuff like this too, like silver bars, silver coins, and some gold too. And he needed some money to survive off the job that he got laid off on. And he called me up and asked if I'll be interested because he knows I collect and invest in this stuff too. So we made a deal. I bought everything you see here. He stacks it pretty good in the cardboard and vacuum pack. It's 100 ounces, I'm sorry, not 1,000 ounces, 100 ounces of bars. And that's 10-ounce bars. And this 90% silver. I think it's, yeah, some dimes. Mercury dimes. I haven't opened it up and see exactly what it is. I think they're all mercury dimes. And that's what it looks like to be, all mercury dimes. So, you know, it's always good to help a friend out when they in need. You never know when you're in need and need a little help. So, yeah, me and my friend, we do go back a long ways. I'd give him a shirt off my back and he'd give off his shirt off his back for me. And he would do the same for me, or I'll do the same for him. He kept them in real nice condition. That's all mint condition. As soon as he gets it, he packs it like this and vacuum packs it with a cardboard so he can stack it on top of each other. So that's a pretty neat way to do it. Never seen it done that way, but I guess everybody has their own ways. Far as silver wise, man, the premiums are just outrageous right now. You can hardly even find some silver that you really like, or something that you collect, just like this right here. You can't find no more of this right now. And if you do find it, you're going to pay out your bond. And the same thing with the 90% silver. Man, the premiums are getting higher and higher. But the price far as the silver, it's just starting to go up. But man, the price of gold, wow, that's unbelievable. You know, it's I wouldn't buy no gold right now because man, the prices are just real high. And so, you know, I thank everybody for watching this. And if you have a friend in need and you can help out and in any kind of way, man, help your friend out. You know, he came to me with this and it was hard for him, but he said that's why he invested in this silver. But one day, you might have a day that hey, you need the extra money. Well, that was his investment for, you know, he could have spent it on something else. He could have spent it on his car. He could have spent it on his boat, you know. But he invested in silver. And now it's coming down where, yeah, that investment I made in silver, I can get some money back and you know, support my family a little bit more because my job is, you know, I don't have my job no more. You know, with this coronavirus thing, a lot of people don't have the jobs they used to have. You know, unemployment ain't that much if you can get it. And so let's everybody help each other out. You know, you never know when you're going to have a loved one that's going to be in a bond or whatever. And keep stacking your silver, your gold, because one day, hey, you might need that to live off of, just like he did. So everybody have a nice one. Y'all be safe, and look, take care of your families and take care of yourself. And check you on the next video. Thanks.